Hi, this is Bob Gorig, 20-year master examiner with both Sterling and Baldrige, and the current chair of the Sterling Examination Committee. For anyone who has struggled with trying to decide what to put in and what to leave out of a written application, I strongly recommend the virtual application writing workshop. This workshop will give you tips and tricks and real-life examples for telling your story in an interesting and methodical way. At the heart of this workshop is helping you understand the kinds of information an examiner looks for when he or she is reviewing your application. The idea here is not to game the application, but to present the information in such a way that the examiner can easily understand your processes, so that examiner can more easily focus on what is important to you and therefore provide you with more meaningful feedback. During this workshop, you will learn how to avoid random acts of goodness, how to follow the Laddie model for writing an application, and how to show off your results in a manner that all examiners can understand. I hope to see you there.